All right, welcome back. So in this lecture, we're going to talk about blending options. So let's go to layer 7. Let's go to the menu in the layers panel, and we're going to click on blending options. So here you can see we can add a bevel and emboss, contour, texture, stroke, inner shadow, inner glow, satin, color overlay, outer glow, drop shadow to our layer, right? And then I'm going to go to the layers panel menu and edit contents. You should be able to see that. Okay, that didn't work. That's okay. So what we're going to do is we'll do the same thing, but we're going to make a new layer. And I'm going to right click on that and do the same idea, which is blending options. So first thing before we do that is I want to make this green. Okay, then we're going to do blending options up here. And what I want to do is bevel, emboss, contour, and texture. Okay, so you can see the texture there. Inner shadow, inner glow, satin, color. Let's do that. And then we'll do outer glow and drop shadow. And I'll hit OK. So now you can see these are some of the blending options that you have, and you can customize this layer to your liking. So I'm going to hit Control S to save, and that's how you add blending options to a Photoshop layer. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lecture.